Wagwan, my peeps. Telling them about vlogging something and saying no easy, but from when we're just super busy. Anyway, me at the supermarket and pick up a few stuff. Every moment is a vlogging moment, all Wagwan. I see what a bill I go. So, sure now. So, then I want to pick up already. And so I go on see much million that it might look enough on the thing right here, but me I tell you, it's a few items and this a monthly shopping. I'm telling you straight, I said the shopping though, yeah, must bread alone now go back nowhere, go buy nothing else. Yeah, so see there, pick that. So now we see what I go on now. See? One. You have a box with you? Can I find 2 boxes of me? 2 boxes of me? Thank you so much. Alright. Yeah. So, I see what I got. I'm going to reach already 11,000. Watch 11,000. 11,000 nothing. Sure, good. Tell you I didn't sit and make a teacher them around way now. As I can see, no meat, no in it, no canned stuff, not in there, no toiletry, well, no toilet paper, no in it. You know them little stuff there, wholesale. You see me? Yeah man. No, chop it right there so, and then when it's done, I'll show you what I want. So
give it all to you.
30,969. Last month it was 27, but I picked up 2 items that we never planned for. 2 of them soul beer there. Never planned for them. But yeah, 30 grand then. See it? 30 grand and no meat and them something like that. So I don't want it produce like vegetable stuff and them thing there. Yeah man. Alright, this is the thing there right now, I'm telling you. And I try to keep the budget, supermarket budget at a $30,000 limit maximum. And then wholesale maybe about 10,000, so 40 grand that already. So wholesale taking into consideration meat and canned stuff, toiletries, and them things there. But yeah, you have to stretch it because if you were to buy those things here at the supermarket, yo, I tell you, I look on maybe about 60,000 with ease, and 60,000 with less things. You know, so right now, people are spending the money wisely. Don't buy any unnecessary stuff. Gotcha. I left my phone. Don't buy any unnecessary stuff. Cut down on certain things. You know, make sure you pick up your needs. You treat it like yourself. Like we said, the 2 beer there. Let me show you. So them there, yeah. So yeah, look a treat. I mean, work hard, you know. So this is actually Progressive Montego Bay. Nice service. I was here a while ago. I asked somebody, Fairview. Yeah, Fairview. Forgot to have Shoppers Fair. I have out by Wita Village. But you know, I was inside here. I watch box, and I asked a young lady if she can get a box because we ran out of bags, and she was like, no. And then this nice lady just come around out of nowhere, like a superhero with 2 boxes. I said, you need boxes? Ready? I pack up the things, them so nice. Yeah. You know, so anywhere where you get good service, you have to talk about it and appreciate it, you know. Yeah, man. So yeah, so all like bad man people who live at Kingston, this is Montego Bay Foreign. Yeah, man, and check out our place nice. Yeah. Because every time when I post, some people I say, yo, that look like America. Yeah, that must be America, you know. Yeah, man, I must be a foreign. That's how we think. Yeah. Alright, John, man, I tell you. You man, some peoples. Pick up on yourself, you know. And live and enjoy yourself. Yeah. Because trust me, I say that the life shot thing there. The life shot thing there ain't no joke. Yeah. You know? Marry up yourself. If you watch a video right now and you really in a good spirit, I hope you get a one laugh and feel nice. You understand? Yeah man, life short man. Trust me. So, check out the view. So we have lights over there. Radio Shack. We don't have Radio Shack at town? I'm sure now I go and kind of feel a joke thing. Then after me there video, I'm a video done. Alright, so see it, alright. But they have video a while ago and the video stopping on channel. Alright, anyways, yeah, proper service, nice, clean, nice and beautiful maybe. Alright, we have our next stop to make, so that was 30,000. The wholesale was like 10, so that's 40 already. As we said, it's a monthly. Now do this one a weekly thing, a monthly. Alright, so we'll check out CPJ now so we can grab and let's see how that goes. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little footage on the way. So I'll go on, you know. So heading to CPJ. So yes, for those who, if you skip through my video and you reach right here, welcome to Montego Bay Foreign. Yeah. So this is my big friend. See the place clean and nice? Yeah man, so this is Fairview. Most people know they're shopping here. A lot of people kind of refuse. I was gonna say scared, but that's true. A lot of people scared to go downtown to get certain things. But some stuff just not out on this side. So you know, every so often you have to go. I said downtown talking about like St. James Street, Parade. Yeah, you know it go. But yeah, man. And this, what I show you now is just a small portion of this commercial area. Like, hey, you can find everything out here. From a pin to an anchor, you can find it out this side. So, you guys in Mobay and you know, you're looking for a club, you're looking for a restaurant, you're looking for somewhere to buy food, clothes, whatever the case may be. Yeah, man. You just you're using your Google Maps or GPS, type in Fairview, Mobay, you reach Fairview, yeah, you can just drive around or walk, or you can rent electric scooters. Not go so still, but the idea just come to me a while ago. Yeah, like we think we're gonna set up a little electric scooter place out here, and people just come and I'm head over here, so people can just come and yeah, you rent a scooter and move around because the place is spread out with you, don't? Yeah. Hey, no know about that thief, my idea, you know. Anyway, I'm sure now I'll go on in a minute, alright? Reach a CPJ now. Check out what they on there. Check out what they have on special today. See what I want. So that's what the list look like. Protein, rice, pork, pepperoni, this, that, rare, budget pie, couscous, jet, all them that's in there. banana, that. Hey, stay steady. Big shop, alright. So look like that side. Turkey franks. No shrimp. Go on, no shrimp. How do I deal with? Alright. Second one, so I'll go on. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna get or what I got. And the shrimp right in front of me. I don't know if I'm blind or I can't read. See right there, 12 bills, 1 pound peel shrimp, and the shrimp them a good size. Yeah, man, this is a nice deal, so I think we'll grab 2 bags of that. So that's 30 and 10, 40, 44. So we got 44,000 in the budget, we have a 50 grand budget. Not one bad. Alright, so I got 3 of these for $100 each. I love them. I saw San Pellegrino. Got 3 of those for $150.
What do you select here?
I think it's about $250 for one of these in the supermarket. And bag of corn and the shrimp. So let's see how much that comes to now. Yeah man, go that's right. So as is, supermarket is 30,000, wholesale was 10,000, so that's 40, and then the market is 5,000, so that's 45. And then we got some pork, it was 2,000, so that's 47,000. And let's see how much this comes to. Now as I said, the budget is 50 grand, and I only go back to the supermarket to top up on small stuff, so maybe on average I spend like 60 grand for the month for food. And you have to so you know you certain things maybe that eat without discretion, no, and you look at it as healthy eating. So no eating of no whole heap of snacks in the night and not this and no foolishness, and it works out. Yeah, it works out for you. You know, I don't feel lethargic going to bed because I eat too much and then wait there. Yeah, no joke. And it's sure to say kind of greedy when things are kind of cheaper. Like I could have cut back a bit, but hey, you have to do. So I guess on a monthly the budget is 60,000 because after you spend this 50 grand, then you know a couple little things will run out and so forth. So I got 40, I say already 47. So let's see how much it's gonna come to. Alright, so it came to 3,750. So yeah, little bit over the 50 grand. Not bad. And you get quite a number of stuff. Okay. So anyways peeps, you know, I started out just by just doing this vlog. Like there wasn't any specific message or nothing like that. But whatever it is that you're spending money on a monthly, work with your budget. Work with your budget and don't overspend. Work with a budget, don't overspend. Shop wisely. It might take a little time because you have to move around to go to different places, but shop wisely. You know, go where the deals are, make your dollar stretch. The palaver in the food when you carry home the food. Nobody with when every minute somebody hungry from the food come, you're hungry every second. You understand? You understand? Time's hard right now, and time's hard right now, and everybody, so we have to know how the dollar stretch, especially when you have kids in the house. Yeah man, you have to make them regulate them belly too, because you know them eat like a farmer horse. But anyways my peeps, that's it on a 50 grand budget for the month. And you know, you see what we got for the month, and yeah, it works out. But anyways, follow your boy for more tips on how to stretch your dollar. Alright? You don't know another thing going in real life with the boy Donte. Do the right thing. Like, follow, subscribe, share. Alright? Yeah man, help me make the channel grow. I'm out.